Hi, I will show you how to check your typing speed. First, go to web browser and type WPM test. Go ahead from the first link. Now you can see the WPM test window. In this test, you can select one of these. We can select time duration we want and easy, and we can choose medium and hard tests also. Then press Start Test. I will show you a one test and practice with me. And we can select the mode also. Then start the test with managing the time duration. Press Show Your Result tab. This is TH result. Then we want another test. We want to press Start with me. Press Show Your Result tab. This is my WPM result and comment your rest in the comment section.